Are you ready to record an English voice bank super fast? Great! Then let's talk about MEL English. MEL stands for May's English List, and is a minimalist CVVC English rec list released by May Blythe in August 2019. The standard version of the list requires only 68 clips that are between 4 and 7 syllables long. Though saying MEL English is literally May's English List English, I feel like it rolls off the tongue well enough, so I will continue to refer to this list as MEL English from this point forward. For comparison, here is an 8-syllable Japanese CVVC rec list by Tatsumi, and for the most fair comparison, here is a minimalist Japanese CVVC rec list by Nanakao. And here's MEL English. I decided to show you the other rec lists to give you an idea of how short MEL English really is, as it's likely that if you found this video and decided to record English, you've probably recorded Japanese VCV or CVVC already. If not, the recording style of this list might be unfamiliar territory for you. But fear not. In this video tutorial series, we'll be going over the list together clip by clip so you're not recording alone or without a reference. The reference voice bank recordings will be available to you for download in the description of the recording guide video, in case you'd like to reference them later or at your own pace. In addition, I've put together a 3-syllable version of MEL English for people that are either new to UTAU, new to recording English, short of breath, or just don't like recording a bunch of syllables in one string. So why is MEL English so short? MEL English consists only of the following parts: initial consonant sounds, represented by a hyphen and the consonant itself, consonant-vowel sounds, vowel-consonant sounds, consonant-consonant sounds, and final consonant sounds, represented by the consonant itself and a hyphen. It's up to you how you'd like to string them together, but as an example, here are the words last night strung together with MEL English. Last night. I'll make a separate video for using MEL English, but until then, I'll link a slightly older video using a voice bank with this rec list in the description. The next video will list the vowels and consonants used in MEL English. I plan to keep this video series as short and sweet as I can, while still covering all the bases. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.